Hey everyone, welcome back to AI by Vega. If you're new here, this is the place where we explore all things related to AI, coding, and tech in an engaging and fun way. Today's video, where we combine artificial intelligence with romance to generate the perfect Valentine's Day confession. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Before we dive into today's tutorial, I've got some exciting news to share with you. If you love what I do here and want to support the channel, you can now become a patron on Patreon. By supporting me there, you'll get access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes looks at my projects, and a chance to directly influence future content. It's a great way to join the AI by Vega community and support my work. And that's not all. I've also just released a free game on itch.io called Game Name. It's available for download right now, and I'd love for you to check it out. Whether you're into coding, indie games, or just looking for something fun to play, I think you'll love it. The link is in the description below. Let's dive right into it. First, we have a love score. We calculate the score between you and your partner based on your names. But don't worry, the fun doesn't stop there. We ask a few simple questions to adjust that score and make it even more personalized. Here's how it works. We first ask for your names, and then, the magic happens. The AI calculates the love score using the characters in your names. But to make it even better, we add a few questions. Things like, do you share common interests? Or do you trust them with a secret? Calculate _love _score takes two names, combines them into one string, converts them to lowercase, and sums the Unicode values of each character. Then, it uses modulus 101 to ensure the score stays between 0 and 100. The score _ adjustments dictionary maps each question to a score modifier. If the user answers yes, the score increases, and if no, it decreases by half the value. For example, when explaining the calculate _love _score function, mention that it's calculating the score based on names, and then go into the logic of using ASCII values and modulus. If the score is above 80, the message is highly romantic, match made in heaven. If the score is between 51 and 80, the message is more neutral and positive, lovely connection. If the score is 50 or below, the message suggests that opposites attract. The score is above 80, the message is highly romantic, match made in heaven. If the score is between 51 and 80, the message is more neutral and positive, lovely connection. If the score is 50 or below, the message suggests that opposites attract. The turtle pen draws a heart shape using a combination of lines and circles. The heart is filled with the color red, and a message is written inside the heart. This is the main function that ties everything together. It takes the user's input for names, calculates the love score, displays the love message, and generates the virtual Valentine card. And that's it. You now have a beautiful AI-generated Valentine's confession, a countdown timer, and a virtual Valentine card ready to share with your special someone. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this fun Valentine's coding project, and of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials and coding fun. Let me know in the comments what your love score is, and share your AI-generated confessions with us. I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day full of love, joy, and creativity. Heart with arrow.